What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play You're Kinda Crazy by Teddy Swims. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. There's going to be timestamps down in the pinned comment below. And first, here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like. Alright, so as you can see, I have a capo on the 8th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. There's going to be 4 chords for the entire song, and those 4 chords are F sharp minor 7, A major 7, B minor 7, and E7. And now here's the breakdown of the chords. First chord is an F sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret, and we're putting our finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is an A major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string. It's going to sound like this. Next chord is a B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret again, and we're putting our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. Last chord is an E7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. So if we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here's an example of a strumming pattern that you can use. So you can do something like this. So as you can see there, I'm plucking the A, D, and G strings, and then I'm strumming it right after. And I'm just doing that the whole time. Okay, so that's one way you can do it, but if you figure out some other way that you want to strum it or pluck it, then that's totally up to you, but that is how you play the song. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I really hope that it helped you out. While you are here, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you like this content and want more of it. Also, follow me on my other socials. I have TikTok and Instagram. Both of those links are going to be down in the description and the pinned comment as well. And if you really like this tutorial, there's a video popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check out that tutorial, and I'll see you guys on the next video.